always be holding me down, like, period. Because the fact that the other girl was willing to, like, squeeze me in, and because she said it's last minute, like, I gotta pay the extra, but it's just like, I'll pay the extra because I have no other option. Like, and everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna start this vlog off by saying thank you, Lord, for another day. I wanted to vlog my birthday and just show you guys, like, basically everything I'm gonna be doing this whole weekend. It's Halloween weekend, so I'm gonna just be showing you guys, like, what I'm gonna be doing throughout the next couple of days. I already got my nails done. If you guys can see, I love them. And normally I get, like, long nails, but because of my job, like, I was just like, you know what, I'm not even gonna do the long, I'm gonna do the short. And they came out so cute. I love them. Now it's approximately, let's see, I think it's like 8, might be like 7 something. And I'm getting up right now. In like 30 minutes, I'm gonna leave and be on my way to get my hair done. So we're finally on our way to get our hair done. It's gonna take me a little while to get there. So this is about an hour away. This is the fit that I'll be wearing. Sweatpants, sneakers, t-shirt. So we finally made it to the appointment. Let me focus my camera. We made it to the appointment. The drive took about an hour. I don't know why. It was like a lot of traffic, but it wasn't too bad. I'm just really excited to get my hair done. Listen, the parking, make sure anytime you gotta go to an appointment, like, you always go like 15 minutes ahead of time, maybe 30 minutes just to find parking, because the parking. Somebody tell me the joke, because I don't know what the joke is. So I go to the nail salon. I can't even talk. I go to the hair salon to go start my hair. Literally like 5 minutes from my appointment. So I'm like, oh, a guy come out. He was like, oh, you have an appointment today? I was like, yeah. He was like, with who? And I find her on IG and I tell her her name, whatever the case may be. Oh, what? Like, she's not in today. Yes, she is. You're looking at her 10 o'clock. Like, he was like, what time do you have an appointment? I'm like, 10 o'clock. He was like, she might be taking clients elsewhere, but she's not here today. Da, 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 da. So he must be like the landlord. So I'm looking around like, what? So then the stylist come in and she's about to do some other girl hair. Thankfully, she was willing to take me, because I'm like, it's my birthday. Like, was she gonna not contact me? He was like, you got your appointment confirmation and everything. And I was like, yeah, because I changed it from Thursday to Friday because I knew, like, I had to work yesterday. So I was like, I'm not gonna be able to get my hair done yesterday, so I might as well just take the day off today and go on Friday. That way I'm going out and I could do my hair, my makeup, and then go out tonight. Why is your appointment thing up if you're going through stuff? Why you have it to where you can book an appointment? That shouldn't even be a thing, which is, I thought was funny this morning, because I was trying to find the address and I couldn't find the address, because when I clicked on the thing to, like, book an appointment, it said like, oh, coming back soon or some crazy shit like that. And I was like, why? Like, what? I was just on it last night. Like, why did that come up like that? Lord will forever, like, he always be holding me down, like, period. Because the fact that the other girl was willing to, like, squeeze me in, and because she said it's last minute, like, I gotta pay the extra, but it's just like, I'll pay the extra because I have no other option. I'm confused. Like, what? Like, what? Sis, what? Like, about the misunderstanding, like, I dead booked my appointment 2 weeks ago. So if you knew that there were things going on, you should have made it to where I'm able to make other arrangements. Like, why would you have the day of me come in and now I'm like, what if that other stylist wasn't there? Honestly, I probably would have just got me a silk press. I love my birthday. I love myself. I'm happy. I'm grateful to see another 365. Like, I'm glad to be able to see another year, Lord. Thank you. But I'm really not finna stress myself out anymore about things that I can't control. Really am proud of myself, because normally I would have been cursing everybody out. I would have been crying. I would have been mad. But this is what you call growth. So I had to go get me some breakfast. Get some coffee, because coffee soothes the soul. As you guys, I got me a little cup from the bodega. And I'm just going to be here chilling for the next maybe half an hour. I'll go back at 11 o'clock. So I'm going to sit in my car, eat my breakfast, and just reflect on the things that have been happening. And maybe that's for the better. Maybe her not coming to do my hair was for the better. Everything happened for a reason. I'm not mad, I'm going to get my hair done. So that's all I could do is thank the Lord that this girl is willing to squeeze me in, hold up, and it don't rain. But yeah, that's my little rant, because like, y'all seen how I was when I first started this video, like, I got to get my hair done. My friend like lives in the area. She walked down and was like, oh, like, we were supposed to pay a deposit, like, what's going on? And she was like, oh, don't worry about it, like, you could just pay the full the balance that day, whatever the case may be. So it was like, okay, everything is in the clear, because we wanted to make sure on our end that everything was good. Talk about, we got to do better. My community, we got to do better when it comes to business, because this is how we lose the business, and customer service don't be on point. Because sis, if you know you're going through something, give people time to make the decision to do something else if you are not available. Period. Like, don't leave nobody hanging. Like, this, I'm really getting my hair done for a special occasion. It's not like, oh, I'm just getting my hair done and da-da-da, I'm being a brat. Like, and even if I was, like, you don't even contact me and let me know, like, this is not gonna happen today. Before my bagel get cold, I'm done with my rant. We all good. I'm gonna get my hair done. And that's that. That's all I got left. I got nothing left, because you here to disrupt my peace, you out. I'm telling you now, that's anybody. Hairstylist, friends, family, da-da-da, classmate, co-worker. If you are disrupting my peace, I'm just going to walk away. I ain't even going to get mad. I'm just walk away. Stay blessed. I just want to say how blessed, it's like the Lord has blessed me in many ways. This makeup, hair, everything a vibe. Who that? So the whole situation with the girl happened, whatever, but God has blessed, truly blessed. So ready. I got like, what time is it? 3. I got like 4 or 5 hours before I have to leave the house and go out. Get too crazy. I just want to have a calm, nice night. Like, it's just been crazy all day, and like leading up to my birthday has just been a lot. So I just feel as though I cannot wait to kind of get everything together. You guys to come in along with me for this part of the trip. I feel like I'll be yelling. And I just get excited and I get like loud and then I go back down. But anyway, I feel like I just want to enjoy my time out. It's like I said, the weather's not the best, but I'm gonna do what I do and enjoy what I got, because that's all I can do. So why not? It came out so pretty. Like, sis did her thing, okay? And I'm just happy to be alive. I'm happy to enjoy another birthday. So let's get on the road, because it's already 3 o'clock. School, people gonna go out. I'm not gonna have time for this traffic. So wish me luck, y'all, and I'll see you guys back when I am getting ready to go to dinner. What's up, y'all? So I'm back. It's like the next day. I know I said I was gonna film like getting ready, but it was just so hectic yesterday because I went to Cavalli in New York City. If y'all ever heard of it, let me know down below what y'all think about it. My first experience, it was cute. But yeah, so in order to go to Cavalli, I went to my friend's house, dropped off my car, and then, because I don't want to drink and drive, so I was like, drop off my car and then we'll take a cab over there. But it was just like, it was just a lot. I felt like I was doing a lot of driving yesterday. Okay, like you want to get hit with a couple curveballs, but keep pushing. That's it. So shout out to my girl Azzy. I'm gonna link her down below. She hooked up my hair. I wish I could have showed you guys when she first did it. I'll probably insert like some pictures or some video footage that I took of it. But this is the wig. If you're in the New York area, hit her up because I feel like she did a bomb ass job. Like, where's the lace? Tell me. So nice. So I really appreciate her for doing that for me because she really didn't have to. Tomorrow, the festivities continue. So wish me luck because I'm pretty tired. A good time tomorrow. I'm going to brunch, and that's just gonna be my little turn up weekend. Like, we're gonna keep it cute with the weekend, turn up, simple, like not gonna make it a big thing. I feel like when I make things a big thing is when it doesn't work out, but like when you keep it simple, that's when you have the best time. So I really had a good time yesterday. Wow, yup. Say hi. Hi. Brunch is where it's always lit. Like, you get to get lit, go home early, and be ready for the next day. You ain't gotta wait a whole 24 hours because probably have like 2 drinks, maybe a couple of shots. Like, even right now, my stomach feel funny because I had like 4 shots yesterday and maybe 1 drink, and like, I'm telling you, I fucked myself up when I was in college. Maybe I lied. Maybe the brunch ain't the best thing. Be fun. So I hope you guys stay tuned for the rest of this video. I don't know if I want to make it a 1 full long lengthy video, or do I want to do like break it up into parts. Thank you guys so much for watching so far. Appreciate y'all. Stay tuned for the rest of this video. It's gonna be fun. Bday vlog, Scorpio gang. Anybody that's a Scorpio, please show some love down below. Like, I want to know my fellow Scorpios. And yeah, wish me luck because I gotta wake up to go to work early in the morning. So love y'all.